Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. What is the common name of chloroethane? Your right answer is vinyl chloride. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is not related to gymnastics? Your right answer is alley point. Option D is your correct answer. In the schedule of the Indian Constitution, the provision of distribution of powers between the center and the state has been done. Your right answer is 7th schedule. Option A is your correct answer. Arakonda is located in which mountain range? Your right answer is Eastern Ghat. Option D is your correct answer. What was the Battle of Kannauj fought between? Your right answer is Mughal and Sher Shah. Option D is your correct answer. Suez Canal combine? Your right answer is Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Option C is your correct answer. The occurrence of the rotating motion of an object in the liquid medium can be inspected by dash. Your right answer is Magnus effect. Option D is your correct answer. Who wrote the famous song Sara Jahan from Good from Urdu? Your right answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Option B is your correct answer. FIFA is a complete format. Your right answer is Federation International de Football Association. Option B is your correct answer. Article 15 of the Constitution refer to the prohibition of discrimination on the basis of dash of any citizen. Your right answer is religion, race, gender or birthplace. Option D is your correct answer. The Coriolis force in the northern hemisphere, by which direction does the wind ineffective? Your right answer is right. Option B is your correct answer. Zain-ul Abidin was known for his tolerant thoughts. What was the Sultan of which empire? Your right answer is Kashmir. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following word is related to the game of wrestling? Your right answer is Nelson. Option A is your correct answer. The detail of relations between the center and the state are given in which part of the Constitution? Your right answer is in 11th. Option A is your correct answer. Baghdad is situated on the bank of which river? Your right answer is Dajla River. Option C is your correct answer. How long does the governor tenure takes place? Your right answer is at the will of the president. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is the longest river in Asia? Your right answer is Yangtze River. Option A is your correct answer. Which article is included under the 9th schedule of Indian Constitution? Your right answer is Article 243. Option C is your correct answer. The Constitution of Fundamental Right of Indian Constitution has been taken from which constitution? Your right answer is Constitution of United States. Option C is your correct answer, or American. The maximum number of members of the Council of Ministers was determined by the Constitution Amendment Act. Your right answer is 91st Constitutional Amendment. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following dance form is known as Mohini dances? Your right answer is Mohiniyattam. Option B is your correct answer. According to the 2011 census, how much is the percentage of women in the total agricultural labors? Your right answer is 55%. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following game did not originate in the Asia continent? Your right answer is football. Option D is your correct answer. What is the meaning of the primary deficit in the budget deficit concept? Your right answer is difference between physical deficit and interest payments. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is it to believe that economics is the study of human behavior in the normal occupation of life? Your right answer is Alfred Marshall. Option D is your correct answer. On which river is the Smokhara waterfall situated? Your right answer is Narmada. Option D is your correct answer. Who wrote the famous drama Morchatikam? Your right answer is Sudrak. Option D is your correct answer. In the treatment of cancer, which of the following is used in external radiation therapy? Your right answer is cobalt 60. Option A is your correct answer. Women's sex test began with the Olympic Games. Your right answer is 1968. Option B is your correct answer. The member of which group is usually called a spongy? Your right answer is porifera. Option C is your correct answer. In the Indian Parliament, which Prime Minister is appointed by the House of Parliament? Your right answer is higher or lower can be done by any house. Option D is your correct answer. What is the minimum percentage of shares left for strategic disinvestment? Your right answer is 51%. Option C is your correct answer. What is the boundary between India and Pakistan? Your right answer is Red Cliff Line. Option A is your correct answer. Two cylindrical structure found in the cytokines which are called centriole. Which of the following? Your right answer is centrosome. Option C is your correct answer. What is the ability to develop a whole plant by a cell or cortex? Your right answer is full powers. Option A is your correct answer. Picola Lake is situated in which of the following state? Your right answer is Rajasthan. Option D is your correct answer. Sloped or better wall are the main attributes of the architecture of which sultanate? Your right answer is Tughlaq. Option C is your correct answer. What type of veto does the president have in relation to any state act which has been stopped by the governor? Your right answer is absolute prohibition. Option B is your correct answer. In the organic compounds, what is the length of the bond and heating capability of bond from the following? Your right answer is hybridization. Option C is your correct answer. The book Panchanama is written about. Your right answer is Shah Jahan. Option C is your correct answer. The yellow revolution is related to the growth of production. Your right answer is oil seed. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following type of jungle are found throughout India? Your right answer is tropical wet decay. Option D is your correct answer. Who wrote the famous Hindi poet Padmavat? Your right answer is Malik Muhammad Jaisi. Option B is your correct answer. Who defeated Babur in the first battle of Panipat? Your right answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Option A is your correct answer. What is the stress produced by aqueous pressure? Your right answer is volcanic stress. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following games is hand-to-hand combat? Your right answer is judo. Option A is your correct answer. The Grand Trunk Road in medieval India was built by whom? Your right answer is Sher Shah. Option C is your correct answer. The light is called the maximum value of electric current. Your right answer is saturated section. Option B is your correct answer. What are the temperate grasslands found in Argentina and Uruguay? Your right answer is Compass. Option C is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. What is the right to delimitation of constituency can be done by the majority? Your right answer is general majority. Option B is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.